am Simon. There are many fans asking us this day about the wireless serial port of the Ntablet, and they want to know what is this and how to make a KVM-like control. Okay, today let's talk about it. The Ntablet having a charging port, and is connected to the docker by that port, and the charging dock have two LED about the wireless serial, the STA state LED and the AP state LED, and there are two buttons on the back. Wireless serial reset button, it is just for code reset, and the wireless serial date reset button, it is for clean all days and make it as factory default for the serial, for the wireless serial. Okay, now let's log in into it. You don't need to install any drivers. You can just have a browser in your device, like my PC, and you can see it is a interface, and this is the web interface because there is a web server inside this wireless serial. Okay, and this is the device in off, the CPU ID, the CPU speed, uptime, when usage, local time, and the serial setup, and we control more, and the model. Okay, and the next, send message. There are two models in it. Normally serial model. Look, this is just for debugging. For debugging some of the serial device, and the terminal model. For the terminal model, we can do something like KVM. Look, we can top, and we can nano file. Okay, and we can also reboot the device of the Ntablet. The Ntablet on rebooting. Look, and we can start boot menu here. It is directly or separated by the Ntablet. So, however, the Ntablet on rebooting, the wireless serial still working. Okay, we can see, and there are some buttons here. Sometimes if you want to clean the screen, just click this reset. Okay, we can see, and however, it is a fit screen button, wide fit screen. Look, let me make the browser more smaller. Okay, fit screen. Fit screen is just send a command to the Ntablet. It is for example is the top here. Okay, and make it more, make the browser larger. Look, it is just partly, not full screen. For this case, we have to send a fit screen commander. Look, it is full screen now. Okay, sometimes if you see the current, the Linux current usually send some debug for the of the current. So sometimes there is a shortcut button here. We can send a commander to disable the current debug. Okay, now the next menu, hardware setup. We can see the APMAC address and the STA-MAC address, and the firmware version, the username, and the password. Logging into this page needs username and password. We can set up here, and the APSSID or server name. This wireless serial has two models. One is the AP model, another is the station model, and this model is AP and station together. Okay, the NTP address times 2. Okay, those are the in off, and the hardware network AP is for the password of the AP and the DHCP IP address of the AP. All of those are set up for network. Now let's talk about what's the difference of these three models. Now you can see the SSID on checking. Look, we can find it. We can find it, and our laptop or our cell phone or an iPad can connect to it directly. Okay, this is the best model. However, if we don't need that AP, just keep it as station. It will connect to your wireless router directly, but no AP again. Okay, let's try. Let's fire again. It will be more security if you lead station model after you set up the network. Look, this is gone. We can't find it. Okay. If the AP model only, the device will not connect to your wireless router. Okay. And this is the STA network. What that means? It means what's SSID? The SSID of your wireless router. That's the device to connect. And the router's MAC address, whether use the DHCP of the router or you off means you are using state IP of the router. Okay, the IP address of the device from the router and the gateways, DNS and networks. Well, that is the network configuration of the wireless serial port. Okay, and a setup menu. Factory restore will clean all setup, including the network setup. Okay, mainly the network setup and system config backup. You can try. This is the configuration of this device. Okay. And the system backup restore, we can use this backup file for restoring the network setup of the wireless serial port. And the firmware upgrade, we will, if the firmware have bugs or something, or need to improve, we will release some firmware for this wireless serial port. Okay, and for more details, you can check our official website, aircraft.com, and key support. Download Ntablet. You will get some firmware, and you can find those also in our GitHub page. GitHub Aircraft open source. Okay, we can get all of those firmware here. Okay, that's all. Let's try. And oh, I'm sorry, I forgotten to explain an important button: reset and tablet. Okay, this is a code reset for the tablet. It just control the power button of it. So if your tablet is hot or go down, you can just keep this. The tablet will go. Tablet will go reboot. Look. Okay. You can see. Reboot down. Look. Power is reset. The tablet go rebooted just now. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.